more work needs to be done into how more of these items can be reusable.
For almost 2 years, we've been wearing these, most of the time just once before tossing them. It's part of a larger problem of plastics and waste created throughout the pandemic. Now, green industry experts are calling for strategies to be developed so we can start curbing all of this waste created throughout COVID-19.
We're hoping there'll be something in the future that is recyclable, but the main concern around the rapid tests is even because of the way they are being used. They are more hazardous materials.
Peter Olarandimu works in the recycling industry in Calgary. He says because so much PPE, rapid tests, and single-use items are being used, there needs to be more research on how we can reduce it and more education around proper disposal.
The public is not aware some of these materials are not recyclable. They put them with the recyclables and it leads to contamination, and that just creates more waste.
Guidance has suggested surgical and N95 masks are the most effective, and they're only sanitary the first time they're worn. Add that to more single-use items at businesses, more packaging from online shopping, and now rapid tests, and it's all piling up.
It's so sad because with the pandemic progress that was made with waste reduction, everything was lost during the pandemic.
So how can we mitigate this? Olarandimu says proper disposal, but also changing habits can help. He says if you're going shopping and wearing a different mask each time, planning so that there are less trips and less masks. But many in his industry are calling for governments and the private sector to develop solutions. City News reached out to Alberta's Environment Minister to see if there was anything in the works. They said in part, we encourage Albertans use appropriate receptacles when disposing of used masks and tests, and to contact Alberta Health and Alberta Health Services about their hazardous waste protocols and municipalities about their waste disposal protocols.
We have to look into how to make it work, how to make better materials that can be reusable.
A study done in November 2020 recognizes the need to put health before waste management, but points to development of eco-friendly and bio-based solutions at an affordable price, along with improvement of recycling streams to ensure proper end of life for these plastics to be put at the highest priority. In Calgary, Taylor Braat, City News.